Hi there everybody, my name is Hannah Farmer, and this week I decided to do my project based on a personal story. My inspiration actually came from the movie Dear John. In the movie, the character's dad has autism, and my brother actually has autism, and so we have been going through the stages of figuring out how he reacts to things and how he thinks. And he also has bipolar disorder, so we have to incorporate that as well with the way that he thinks and acts. This is my project. It is called Missing Pieces. The puzzle pieces in it represent the different the mystery of autism. A lot of people don't exactly know what autism is. A lot of people mix it up with Down syndrome, and you really couldn't tell if somebody has autism by looking at them, but you can tell definitely by the way that they act in social situations. And each person with autism is different. They all have different tics and different symptoms. My brother, for example, he's very social. He just doesn't know how to control himself in social situations. He doesn't know how to act, when to speak, when not to speak, or what to say or what not to say. He really doesn't have a filter. He actually has Asperger's, which is a mild form of autism, but a lot of people with autism isolate themselves, and each one of them is very different. All the different colors of the pieces represent the diversity of people with autism, and this isn't only representing autism, but even the world. Each person is different, acts different, looks different, has different stories about themselves, and each person is diverse, and they all make up they're all one piece of a very big picture. And the color represents the diversity. Obviously, in our world we have different races, different ethnicities, and in autism there's different types, there's different stages, and not only the people who have it, who are struggling through it, but also the people who are researching, and doctors who are trying to find out more about the disease. Individually, each piece is very unique, but together they're all very complex. The unit content that I would use to describe and relate my project to would definitely be the relationship triangle between yourself, society, and the environment. Each person has their own carbon footprint, something that they've done in the world to make a difference. A puzzle is also significant to a web. They're both made up of very different pieces. They're all very unique, and as each web has its own strand, and the whole big picture looks different. So does the puzzle. The puzzle has very many different pieces, and a quote that I really liked during the lecture was actually it was, "Understanding a symbol means unpacking its relationships, and if you can't diagram it, then you probably don't understand it." And I tried to focus a lot on both of those concepts as I was doing my project. If you don't understand something, it's really hard to share it with others or to do something about it to help somebody with it, or whatever the case may be. The process that I went through to make this, my brother's favorite color is red, and I'm actually going to be giving this to him once I turn this in. And I just painted the piece of cardboard red, and I cut out couple puzzle pieces and color them different colors. This black piece represents a missing piece, or somebody who hasn't found the right place for their piece, or they're missing some, which everyone has different situations. And this is my project, and thank you.